The house should be a launchpad, not an anchor. Discover the benefits of kit homes with Avrame. Who would benefit most from our kit homes? These kits come with detailed installation manuals and pre-cut details, making it a favorite option for real estate developers, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. Our model range covers most sought-after functionalities like permanent resident homes, rental cabins, home offices, ADUs, granny flats, and vacation resorts. With representatives all around the world, we are here to support our customers on every step of the build. Avrame has shipped hundreds of houses across the globe, from North America to Australia. Avrame A-frame houses are energy efficient and have no load-bearing interior walls, making them customizable, affordable, and unique. A-frame houses are making a big comeback, and Avrame is leading the way. Avrame Classic Series houses come with a more conventional design. Those models feature staggered stud walls for superior insulation and soundproofing. All the models have incredibly functional layouts. Curious to know more? Visit avrame.com to start your journey towards a dream home today.